Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I withdraw money from Revolut to my bank account? Before I get into the answer, I want to give you a little bit of background on Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a current account, and a personal loan. Revolut is a great option for people who want to save money on international fees and who are looking for a convenient way to manage their finances. So, can you withdraw money from Revolut to your bank account? The answer is yes, you can. There are a few different ways to do this. Use the Revolut app. You can withdraw money from your Revolut account to your bank account using the Revolut app. To do this, simply open the app and select Withdraw. Then, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw and select your bank account. The money will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. Use a cash withdrawal point. You can also withdraw money from your Revolut account at a cash withdrawal point. To do this, simply open the Revolut app and select Cash Withdrawal. Then, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw and select your location. You will be given a code that you can use to withdraw money from a cash withdrawal point. Transfer money to another bank account. If you don't have access to a cash withdrawal point, you can transfer money from your Revolut account to another bank account. To do this, simply open the Revolut app and select Transfer. Then, enter the amount of money you want to transfer and select the bank account you want to transfer it to. The money will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. Additional tips. There is no fee to withdraw money from your Revolut account to your bank account. The maximum amount you can withdraw at a time is £2,000. It may take a few days for the money to be transferred to your bank account. So, there you have it. You can withdraw money from Revolut to your bank account. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.